Hello and welcome guys to the world of digitalization at the SEO Discovery Company. So today we have with us Mr. Jay. Welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
He is the senior project manager in the company. So tell us about your journey, how it's been so far working in the organization.
So it's been great here, and I feel very proud to be here. I joined 5 years back
Okay.
as executive, and I learned a lot of things. And the best part, or I can say the best moment that I had here is when we go out and we discuss about the new strategies, we discuss about new things and new goals. So that's the best moment.
Okay. And what kind of technique strategies you apply to help people, businesses grow and expand?
So the strategy basically depend on the nature of the business. So we figure out the nature of the business first and then the audience, because these are the two important parameters. And after finalizing the audience, we prepare the strategies, because a lot of people spend more time into the execution than in research. So in our case, we spend more time into research than execution.
So when any clients walk in, they have their own needs, demands, like they want to grow their business. So keeping that in mind, how you keep the customer satisfied on same parameters level, that you will be applying your techniques also and their mindset to achieve certain goals in the on the business front.
Okay. So yeah, sometimes customers like they come to us and they have their own ideas, or you can say they have their own marketing plans, which is quite obvious because they do a lot of consultation before hiring us, and that's fine because we also do the research before like purchasing anything.
Exactly.
So which is fine. And but the ultimate like idea behind all of this research is the client growth, and that's how for that we set the plan and then we prepare the strategy.
Okay.
And we set the goals. So that's how like we win.
Okay, that's great to know. So moving on to the next question. So what do you think, sir, how is the digital trend going in the current and what will be the future outlook?
So see, if you look at the stats and the last 4-5 years, so digital advertising agency across at a market cap of around like 700 to 800 billion. Okay, so you can see the difference. And if you look at the stats of the let's say 2014, so you can clearly see the difference of the digital advertising agency.
Okay.
And nowadays when a client comes to us, okay, so they are willing to spend more into the digital advertising. So I think the industry is booming,
Okay.
and I think we all will grow.
Well, it's great to know. Moving on to the last segment, what are your future goals to take this company on another level of successful parameters?
And I think for a company, the main requirement for a company is to have good resources, and then is to, if the company is updating. So these are the two main factors. I think we need a good talented people in our organization, that what we are doing here, because we are teaching them the new things, we are upgrading them on like timely basis, and I think that's the key area. If you are updating yourself, you are always ahead of others. So if you like stop that, and you will be like at the end. So to keep updating yourself is the main factor.
That's absolutely true. So it was great having you on the show, and we wish you success in your future endeavors.
Thank you.
Thank you.